Hello students, today we will learn how we can solve linear equation in one variables, that is chapter 2 of class 8th. In this video we will see what is an algebraic expression, what is a linear expression, what is a linear equation, and how to find the solution of an equation. First we will see what is an algebraic expression. Before that, first we will see what is a constant and variables. Constants. Constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. For example, 3, minus 5, 1 upon 2, etc. As you can see here student, the value of 3 is only 3, the value of minus 5 is only minus 5. So these are your constants. Variables. A variable is a quantity which has not a fixed value, and generally variables are denoted by small letters of alphabets X, Y, Z, etc. Always remember student, in any expression the value of variable may take different values. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is an expression formed from any combination of numbers and variables by using the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the examples of algebraic expression. As you can see here, this is the combination of constant and variables: 3x plus 5, 4x square minus 5, x plus y, etc. Look at these expressions: x plus 1, x minus y and x squared minus 2. As you can see here student, in this first expression x plus 1, there is only one variable and the exponent of this variable is 1. In this second expression, you can easily see there are two variables x and y, and exponent in both the variables is 1. And in this third expression, there is only one variable x and exponent of x is here 2. This is the definition of linear expression. An expression in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called linear expression. So with the help of this definition, we can easily see here the first expression x plus 1 is a linear equation in one variable, and this second expression, this is the linear expression in two variables. This one is your linear expression in two variables and this one is your linear expression in one variable. But in this chapter we will study linear expression in one variable only. In any expression, variables can take any value because the value of variable is not fixed. So in any expression, variables can take any value. Look at this expression, 100x into x plus 2. Let us check, is this a linear expression or not? For that, first we will open this bracket. First we will multiply 100x by this x, and then we will multiply 100x by this 2, and then we will get 100x square plus 200x. As here the highest power of the variable is 2. You can see here the highest power of the variable is 2. So it is not a linear expression in one variable. Look at this second example, 100x square into 2 upon x. Let's check it is a linear expression or not. When we will open bracket, 100 into x square can be written as x into 2 upon x. As you can see, this x cancel with this denominator x and we will get 200x, and here the exponent of the x is 1. So it is a linear expression. Look at this expression student, 2x equal 1, 3x square equal 3 plus y, 4x square plus 4 equal 0. What are these? These are equations. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. As you can see here student, there is a equal signs in all this example. left hand side equals to right hand side. It means equal sign is missing in expression but present in equation. Look at this first example, 2x equal 1. This is a linear equation in one variable. Look at this second example, 3x square equal 3 plus y. As you can see here, there are two variables and highest power of the variable is 2. So, it is not a linear equation in one variable. In this third example, 4x square plus 4 equals 0. In this equation, there is only one variable, but highest power of the variable is 2. So, it is also not a linear equation in one variable. 2x equal 1. Let's solve this equation for x equal 1. When we substitute in left hand side x equal 1, we will get 2, which is not equal to right hand side, that means 1. If we substitute x equal 1 upon 2, then we will get 2 into 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1, and right hand side is also 1. It means in first case, when x equal 1, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, but in second case, when x equal 1 upon 2, then LHS is equal to RHS. So, it is satisfied for a definite value of the variable. Here, expression will be equal to number form. It means 2x minus 3 equal 7. This is one example of linear equation in one variable. Maybe in left hand side your expression and in right hand side your number. This is the another form, expression equal expression. 4z plus 3 equal 6 plus 2z. Maybe your linear equation in one variable in this form also. Let's try to solve this equation. 2x minus 3 equal 7. As in class 7th also you simplify this type of question, student, in simple equation. Similarly, you have to solve this equation also. First, we will shift this minus 3 into right hand side. That will convert into plus 3 and we will get 2x equal 10. Now we have to find the value of x. So, this multiply 2 will shift. When shift into right hand side, we will get 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. So, the value of x will here 5. Let's solve this question also. 4z plus 3 equal 6 plus 2z. First, we will shift this plus 3 into right hand side. We will get this minus 3. 4z equal. Then we will simplify this 6 minus 3. We will get 3 plus 2z. Now we will simplify here like terms. For solving like terms, we will shift this 2z into left hand side. We will get 4z minus 2z equal 3 equal 2z equal 3, and the value of z will be 3 by 2. Let's solve this question also. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equal minus 2 upon 5. As you can see here, student, left hand side and right hand side, both the sides are in the form of rational form. So first we will multiply this into cross. It means we will multiply here cross multiplication. This 3y plus 4 multiply with this 5 and this 2 minus 6y multiply with this minus 2, and we will get 5 into 3y plus 4 equal minus 2 into 2 minus 6y, and when we will open bracket we will get 5 3s are 15y, 5 4s are 20 equals to minus 2 into 2 we will get minus 4 minus minus plus 12y. Now we will arrange like terms. 15y, this minus 12y, when shift into left hand side we will get minus 12y, which is equal to minus 4, and this plus 20 when shift into right hand side we will get minus 20. 15y minus 12, 3y minus 4 minus 20 minus 24, and the value of y will be minus 24 upon 3, that is your minus 8. How you can check your answer is correct or not? When you substitute your value in this left hand side, you will get the same answer minus. Able to solve linear equation in one variable, student, you can easily solve any word problem also. So let's try to solve this word problem. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceed the other by 15, find the numbers. When you have to solve any word problem, for that you have to read this given statement again and again. Why? Because after reading these statements, you have to convert these statements into equations. Then we will simplify that equation and then we will find the value of variable. So let's start. As in this question given, there are two numbers and the sum of two numbers is 95 and one number is exceed the other by 15. So what will be the first step? First we will suppose the first number be x. Then what will be the another number? According to this question, another number will be exceed the other by 15. So another number will be x plus 15. According to this question, sum of these numbers is 95. So then we will add these numbers and we will get x plus 15 equal 95. In next step, we will add these like terms. This x add with this x, we will get 2x plus 15 equal 95. Next step, this plus 15 will shift into right hand side and we will get 95 minus 15, 2x equal 80. The value of x will here 40. So the first number is your 40 and another number will be x plus 15, 40 plus 15, which is equal to 55. How you can check your answer is correct or not? When you add this 40 with this 55, you will get 95. It means your answer is correct. Let's summarize this video, student. First, in any linear expression or equation, highest power of the variable is always 1. A linear equation has one and only one solution. A linear equation may have for its solution any rational number. It means maybe you will get your answer in rational form. Just as numbers, variables can also be transposed from one side of the equation to the other. It means you can also transfer variable terms into right hand side or left hand side. What is the utility of this chapter? The utility of this chapter is in their diverse applications. Different problems on numbers, edges, perimeters, combination of currency notes and so on can be solved using this linear equation.